Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial where I'm going to show you how to schedule a post on Instagram directly within Instagram. You don't need any other tools or software. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to convert your account to a professional account. Very easy, and it's absolutely free. The easiest way of doing that is going to your profile on mobile like I am here, and you want to tap on Edit Profile. Go to Edit Profile. Once you're here, you want to tap on the blue link that says Switch to Professional Account. Once you tap on that, it will go ahead and let you know that it is a free professional account, and you go ahead and continue through kind of letting you know what the professional account is, and then you select kind of what type of person you're going to be. Say you're going to be an education creator. Go ahead and tap Done. And then within a few taps of the buttons here, you will now have converted your account into a professional account. Select whether you're a business or a creator, and then it's going to present you with all the different tools you have as a professional account. You can, do different things with your profile. You can look into that later. Tap on the X and you're good to go. You will need to complete these steps for the most part in order for this to be available for you. So make sure you go through and do all of that. Now let's go ahead and schedule our post. Go ahead and tap the addition symbol there like you're adding a new post, video, image, whatever it may be. Tap into next there, add a filter if you want to. And then once you're here where you can write a caption where it says new post, you're going to see something under advanced settings at the very bottom. If you tap into advanced settings, you can see now at the very top or somewhere towards the top, it'll say schedule content, schedule this post. If we go ahead and tap that or check that over to the right, it'll bring up a nice calendar for us where we can go and we can select, say, Monday at 11:30 a.m. and then go ahead and tap the blue button that says set time. Now, as you can see, this post is going to be scheduled for Monday, October 23rd at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Once you've done that, go back here and finish anything, like if you need to write something in the caption, we'll go ahead and say, hey. And then when you are good to go and you know this needs to be scheduled, instead of post in the upper right-hand corner, it will say schedule. Just tap on schedule there, and it's going to schedule a post. Now, you can see the process at the very bottom letting you know that it's scheduling a post. If we go to view here, it'll let you know that this post is scheduled to go live, the date, the time, all of that good stuff here. If you want to cancel that, you can tap the three dots at the top of that image, and you can either delete, edit, reschedule for another date and time, or you can even share it now if you're getting a little antsy. But we're going to go ahead and delete it for the purposes of this video. So that's it. That's how you schedule a post. Go ahead and convert your account to a professional account, and then when you are adding a post on your feed here, instead of seeing other things at the very bottom there, you're going to see advanced settings where you can actually schedule that post. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.